Hi, welcome to Salty Beaver Explorers. Today we are on our way to go camping. We're going up to Goose Lake, which is just outside of Little Fort, BC, towards 100 Mile House. And hopefully we're going to get a spot there for a big trailer. If not, we'll have to find another lake to go camping at. So stay tuned and find out where we end up. Looks kind of like the trailer. Yep, there he is. So we did manage to make it to Goose Lake and get a spot, and I honestly think we probably got the best spot in the whole campsite. So this is a provincial campground, and I believe it's 7 spots on a small lake, and we're in number 5. So I'll give you a quick tour and then we'll go around and have a look at the rest of the campground. So this is campsite number 5, and you can see it's really nice and private. There's a little road behind us there going to 2 other campsites. And we've got the picnic table, the fire pit, and our own private little path down to the lake. Again, this is Goose Lake, and that's it. It's just a small little lake, and we're gonna go fishing later on, see what we can catch. Wish us luck. So here is the main camping area. There's Melanie and Dennis staying there in site number 4. We're in the back, site number 5. And there are a couple of other sites. Luckily, there's nobody here right now. We're here beginning of September. So it's really quiet. And just down here is the dock, so we'll go check that out. So this place is very, very clean, and they have a provincial parks attendant that comes several times a day just to check and cleaning up everything. So here's a section people can bring in some little belly boats or kayaks, and the fishing dock. So nice little dock to cast off from or do a bit of fly fishing. And our campsite is just here where the reeds are, just behind there. Here's the main area for camping. Just across here are the public toilets. Let's go check those out. Got a ways to go. So here is the public outhouse, and it's very clean. The attendant told us he had just cleaned it. So it's in good shape, but it is a ways from all the camping areas. So if you're camping here and need to use it, just be prepared for a little bit of a hike. Not too bad. So this used to be an old mill site. I don't know if you can see the old sawdust pile there. And this is the little road that goes in behind our campsite and takes you down to some campsites in a field. So here's our campsite just in behind here. And if you need to be using Starlink, if you're working on the road, there are some, I think there's 2 open sites here. That gives you that opportunity. And this is the boat launch. So it looks like it would give you pretty easy access to get in to the water. Okay, hold on. I might get it. Whoa, I got it.
Got it?
Whoa. Okay. Holy moly, that's the hardest part. Good morning. We're just having our morning coffee before we pack up and leave the Goose Lake Provincial Park Rec Site. And it has been really nice here. We've spent 3 nights. There are 7 campsites and there's been the 2 of us, the campers, here the whole time and only 1 other party coming in the evenings. So it's been super quiet. It is a really nice site, very clean, well looked after. But if you do come out here, do be aware there is no cellular service, so you're going to be disconnected for a little while, which isn't always bad either. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it, and we also like to hear from you, so leave us a comment. And make sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon, and that way you won't miss any of our Canadian content.